Thutha wa kugirika gwa kiumia kigima kumana na kwambatira kwa garama ya muturire iria yumanite na kuhagikwo kwa igoti ria VAT indo-ini cia maguta. Igoti nene kaunti-ini ya Bungoma nirionekete kuruta kamweneni ka maundu kugacira kuri Wanjiku thutha wa gwathana kurugamio kwa watho uria uhuthikite hari kurutithia wira igoti riri. Titus Alila, Jacqueline Otieno na Francis Ogada mathitangite minista wa kigina Henry Rotich na ruhonge rwa kuramata thogora wa maguta ERC na kwagarara watho riria mahagikire watho uyu cira uria mucirithania Stephen Richi athanite watho uyu kwamba kurugamio niguo kuhe mweke President Kenyatta kuhitukia kana kuhagura mutaratara wa watho uria wahitukirio ni bunge. Uyu ari cira wa gatatu gukorwo wandikithitio igiri-ini ria kurugamia kurutithio wira kwa igoti riri. Riu wagwetererwo ni kana Minister Rotich na ERC ni megutia watho uyu na kwamba kurugamia kuona hindi itu ya guthie riera-ini gutire ndumiriri kurutitwo ni honge ici igiri.
Ni kuga immediately yasavwo tondu uria iritwo ngatheti-ini tiguo immediately yasavwo kuri relevant person agiriirwo ku act on it immediately.
Undu uyu ukite uriri Minister wa kigina Henry Rotich na Speaker wa bunge Justin Muturi. Munene wa watho Paul Kihara Kariuki na atongoria angĩ thirikari na matabanirie mucemanio wa keheri. Muoroto munene ri gwetha njĩra ya kwehereria Akenya kĩgirĩko kĩrĩa kiumanĩte na igoti rĩrĩ.
We have started the consultations today, and this is the first of the series of meetings that we are going to have with a view to deal with the issue at hand.
It was just the first meeting, and I can assure you that going forward, we will be able to address whatever issues may be of concern to Kenyans.
Out of the series of meetings, we will inform you accordingly what has come out of the meetings.
Mucemanio na kuri uguo ndunaruta mwerekera wa maundu maria megukorwo magitabania. Niwirikanite gucoka kugia na gikaro na munini wa President William Ruto na muoroto ucio. Maya makihanika uriri Akenya mathite na mbere gweterera President Kenyatta gucokereria guku bururi-ini na gwikira kirore kana gutianiria mutaratara wa watho uria wahitukirio ni bunge ya bururi. Icunjĩ kia bunge amwe kiama-ini kia Jubilee ni mehĩtĩte gutemania mendekithia mao megie watho uyu wona bunge acokereria.
All of us must stand counted by the people of this country. We are representatives of the people, and when the people are feeling the pinch, then this House must fully mention or express the feelings of the people, and that is exactly what we want to do if this House is recalled.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Mwaura, Wagunyam.